and good day. My name is Jürgen Steinmetz from eTurboNews, and this is a breaking news update. For more news updates and shows, please go to youtube.com/travel news group. youtube.com/travel news group. Here's our update.
26 people fatally electrocuted by fallen power cable in Kinshasa. Congo's National Association of Architects said the tragedy could have been avoided and was the result of mistreatment of planning regulations. 26 people were fatally electrocuted and 2 serious injured on Wednesday, after the power cable snapped due to bad weather and fell on a market and housing below, in Kinshasa, the capital city of the Democratic Republic of the Congo. The fallen cable killed 24 women and 2 men, while another 2 people were seriously injured. The bad weather responsible for the tragedy was reportedly lightning, which struck the cable. The Prime Minister of the Democratic Republic of the Congo, Jean-Michel Sama-Lukonde, announced the tragedy in a statement today. "I share the immense pain of the families. My thoughts are also with all the injured," the Prime Minister said. Congo's National Association of Architects said the Kinshasa market tragedy could have been avoided and was the result of mistreatment of planning regulations. DRC government ministers visited the scene of the accident in an expression of solidarity, and government spokesperson Patrick Muyaya announced that the local authorities had begun the relocation of the affected Kinshasa market. Muyaya said the accident had accelerated the process to prevent other tragedies.
Thank you for listening to our news update. There's more on youtube.com/travel news group, or you can read us, of course, in going to our news portal at eTurboNews.com or travelnews.online.